Good morning friends, we're here at the top of Castlegate in Malton looking at the traffic lights, which is the intersection of the four gates that are into Malton. We've now crossed into Wheelgate, and Wow Wheelgate is an initiative which is to make things look a little bit brighter, and here you can see the bollards have been covered in all sorts of decals in different colours saying the word Wow Wheelgate. Wheelgate has been the commercial thoroughfare for Malton for decades, but now we're going to take a little look up into the marketplace to see what's new up there. So here we are at the top of Savile Street, entering the market from the south, and this is the space that is normally used every Saturday, and only a few traders in this part. But you can see there, this is the old town hall, which is now Pizza on the Square. Quite a leaden sky today, so not so many people in this part, but the usual stalls are there. We are now on the western side of the market, in the square that is next to St Michael's Church, and I don't know whether you can see, but there's a bit of a buzz about, an extra buzz in the air. A lovely smile, yes, too. Fantastic. Are these all handmade?
They are handmade them all, yeah.
Have you made them all? Goodness me, what skill. Peg dolls. So friends, what is the buzz that's about the place? Well, for the first time we have got Little Bird Made at their visit to Malton with their artisan and food products. Apparently Little Bird Made have many markets around the area in towns and villages in North Yorkshire, and they've proved to be successful, so they've brought a little bit of their magic here to Malton. It's good to see at this first visit that a few cars are still able to park in the marketplace, but we shall wonder if this will develop into something bigger. Apparently we seem to know that this is going to happen once a month, so we'll wait and see what happens. Well friends, we have now come full circle around the market, back to the top end, and let's hope that this will continue for a lot longer. So thank you for viewing, and bye for now.